Wake up, mommy. Sing to me.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Shamante back with another banger. And shut up. and today we're going to be doing sneezing in front of people. Friend, we ain't gonna sneeze only, but we gonna be like achoo. Then we just gonna walk out. So I guess we gonna play rock paper scissors shoot. That's what we gonna do. Whoever move back smart, whoever loses all 3 rounds, you got to do it. So okay, y'all, let's do it. Hold on, Samaj. You can't be cheating.
Don't be sitting the camera right here.
So you go over there, time right there.
No, because you gotta
She just did it.
I ain't see that.
Are you ready? We all 3 gotta do it. Samaj, please, please.
It is recording.
No, it's an African hair. No, Samaj, you gotta put it down so we can all do it.
Okay.
Put it. Yeah, but
Just put it right here by my back. Jesus Christ.
okay, here you go.
We're gonna set it up right here. So Shavante,
Yeah, we gotta hear it because we finna lead them all.
and see what we gonna eat. Cause I'm a bit is hungry.
Are y'all ready?
Here you go.
Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No, the loser get to pick cause she was suffering.
No.
The loser gets to pick.
No.
Wait, one more time.
Alright, let's get picked. Alright, hit. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
What happened?
She ain't the loser. She ain't got 2 more. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Got you.
Yeah, I got y'all.
No, yeah, scissors. It's good.
Oh, I got to pick. Okay. My head. Do it in front of him while he talking. Do it in front of him while he talking. Do it in front of him. Here you go. No, my head, we got to take care of you. So you got to do this rest. Yeah. No, you got to do it like this. Then walk off and put it back in.
Make sure you like it.
Make it so you like it. Pray for me. Here, put it right here. Just record. I'm scared. Go. Hold on. I'm scared.
You just did it, didn't you?
Ain't it?
Why would you do that?
He ran away.
Why would you do that?
He
Why would you do that? Why would you sneeze at him?
He tried to do it.
That is disrespectful.
He walked away. He walked away. Shavante, it's your turn now, bro. It ain't my turn.